Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are flying to another island here in the Philippines. Come fly with us to Boracay Island. And I am flying with these people. Let's go check in. It's Zebra and Zebrina's first time to fly, and it's their first time to fly with cousins. Waiting for our boarding time. After 2 hours of waiting, it's finally our boarding time. Unfortunately, AirAsia's windows are full of scratches, so I wasn't able to take videos and photos while flying. And here we are, just landed in Caticlan Airport. Anya, Manilog yun ay bitch. Our flight was delayed, so medyo ngit-ngit na pag-abot na mo sa Boracay.
Salamat po.
Strolling to find more place to have dinner here in Station 3. First thing in the morning, we tried to check the dagat if it was swimmable. We tried some water activities. Ate tried the crystal kayak. I think this activity is the reason why Mati said that he liked our Boracay vacation among others. Oo, careful lang dyan. And the funniest thing is nilubog ang kayak kay Bugat kay si Papa. O diba, gilugan na niya ang iyang apo. Decided to have a land tour. I wanted to check out all the tourist spots in Boracay. And our first destination is to see the mangrove trees. It's comparable to what we have in Olango Island. It's also similar to Camp Sawi and Camp Wagi in both Camotes and Bantayan Island. And so we tried their human drool, which was very makalipong, and I also have a separate video of it in my YouTube channel. Daghan kaayog tao linya sa famous coconut tree. This tree is found in Bulabog Beach. These e-trikes are the most common transpo here in Boracay. Next destination is Diniwid Beach. Nakabalita ba mo atong crocodile nga nakitaan sa Boracay? Oh yes, dinhito sa Diniwid Beach. Next, we have the Boracay New Coast. This is where you find the famous keyhole. Another pictorial site in Boracay New Coast. Next, we have Puka Beach. But first, Ate decided to braid her hair. In Puka Beach, you'll find the biggest Boracay sand castle. Right after our land tour, ni Antomi sa Station 2 to try the ice flakes. Mati Patuti loved the strawberry, mango for me and Ate. halo-halo for the seniors. Finding D-Mall. I was looking for the famous nightlife kuno here in Boracay. It is true what they say that Station 2 is truly crowded. Next we have the fire dance show. I have a separate video of it in my YouTube channel. Go check it out. Dinner to conclude our second night here in Boracay. The following day, Mati decided to cook for breakfast while Ate was still sleeping. After which, naglaag-laag miduha ni Mama. And we found Robinson's Boracay, which was very beautiful and very clean. I was craving for pizza, so we tried to find a pizza parlor. Hello to the crew of Dos Mestizos! Now it's time to do another activities. We went back to Bulabog Beach for our activities. So we need to ride a speedboat to go to another island for these activities. It's a different world out here. It's just me, Ate Gazelle, Mati, and Mama because titapol si Papa. I did not expect that the location was very far. Mati wanted to ride the buggy car. So here we are in Xingli ATV Rides. I was somehow skeptical because Mama and Ate Gazelle do not know how to drive. That's Ate Gazelle driving the buggy car, and I guess she's ready to have her own car, Daddy. Part of these activities is the zip line. It's such a bummer that I wasn't able to bring our GoPro. I guess Mati is enjoying. Here we have the famous Kawa Path. Naa, dili mi maligo. They also have this long slide and a kayak, but we didn't try it. So we decided to go home after taking pictures. Here's a photo of their balete tree, by the way. So now we're heading back to Boracay Island. On our third night, Ate and I decided to go back to D-Mall Palenque to buy some stuffs for our friends. We tried the Yao Yao because here in Cebu, katag-as sa linya, but in Boracay, dili kayo. As you can see, magsigira giduguan sa Boracay, so we weren't able to see the sunset and the Vintas. Magbalik lang niya mi sa Boracay like during summer maybe. Anyways, it's time for us to go back to Cebu. Finally, makapahuway ang mga course. So this is what Katiklan Airport looks like. Well, hello there, Sundara Parks. Again, nagsige lang og uwan. So in Boracay DI, we need to ride the bus going to the airplane. Rainbow because gauwan init. We definitely had an amazing stay in Boracay. At this point, I'd like to say thank you very much to Dantes Hideaway for our accommodation and for a very hassle-free transfer from the airport to the island. Thank you also to Mom Rochelle and her staff for letting us stay in her unit via Airbnb. Thank you very much, Lord, for keeping us all safe. We finally landed in Mactan International Airport. Let's go claim our bags. And to conclude this trip, we had dinner somewhere at the airport. I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe.